In this video, I will be showing you how to make a super easy lean-to. Let's get started. You will need 3 12-foot 4x4s, 3 10-foot 4x4s, 1 16-foot 2x6, 1 18-foot 2x6, 2.5-inch screws, 26 8-foot 2x4s, 20 2x4 rafter hangers, a tarp, a drill, a round saw, and 10 10-foot 2x4s. At this point, we've already squared out the base all the way around with pressure-treated wood at the base. We've added 2-foot and 4-foot level all the way around. These two boards here, square them out. We have 10-foot 4x4s in back and 12-foot in front. All of them are 2-foot in the ground. Now we're going to add the 6-foot level.
Oh, we got a visitor. We got a bunch of visitors.
3, 4 visitors. One, go. They like your dog. Alright, let's get back to work. So we forgot to mark where we're going to be screwing in this next board on this 10-foot post. So we're just going to go from the top of this board here all the way down to the mark right on 2 feet. So that's at the 8-foot mark on this board. 10 foot.
No, she was right. It's 8 foot.
Yeah, 8-foot mark. Alright, so we finished the 6-foot level all the way around. Now we're going to finish wrapping around the 8-foot level. Make sure you are not slanted or crooked when you do this, or else it's going to mess up the 10-foot header in front.
Frankie, they're out of screws.
Here, I'm adding the 2x4 rafter hangers every 18 inches on center. And now for some math. The rafter needs to be cut from the 10-foot 2x4s. Since the front posts are 2 feet higher than the back posts, and the distance between them is exactly 8 feet, we need to find the hypotenuse. To do this, we use the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem states that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So 2 squared plus 8 squared equals unknown squared. So that means that 4 plus 64 equals unknown squared. That means 68 equals unknown squared. So that means that we need to find the square root of 68. The square root of 68 is 8.25, or 8 feet and 3 inches. We also need to cut angles. The tangent theta equals 2 feet over 8 feet. Theta equals the inverse sine of 2 feet over 8 feet, which is 14 degrees. So Dad cut the 10 feet 2x4s to 8 feet and 4 inches. That's right, the initial cut is 8 feet and 4 inches because the angle cuts need to leave 8 feet and 3 inches behind, as you can see in the diagram. So cut all 10 feet 2x4s to 8 feet and 4 inches and remove the angles, leaving 8 feet and 3 inches. Yeah, math is fun. Install all 10 like this. The brackets and rafters were placed 18 inches on center to support our summer tarp and will later support a metal roof. You may need help when you screw in the 2x4s. All the 2x4s to support the roofing are up. Trie's got the tarp. Now that we've added the roofing, we put some sidings up. We put some wind block on the west side. We have some block from recycled wood on this side and some block from the barn on the other side. As we find more old wood, we'll continue building up the sides for wind block. This is all recycled material other than the tarp on top. We backfilled to fill in the holes that the 4x4s are in and to cover these 2x4s so that the horses don't trip on their way in. In part 2, we're going to add some more siding and a metal roof so that the horses have windbreak and it's more waterproof to keep them dry. Hi, we're the Vineyard Chicks, and we'd like to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Go ahead, click it now. We'd love to hear your questions and comments, so leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Thank you.